Előd Novák, born 25 April 1980, is a Hungarian politician. He was one of the deputy chairmen of the far-right political party, Jobbik. His wife is Dóra Dúró, a former spokesperson for the party. After the 2010 elections he was elected to the National Assembly of Hungary. He was a local assistant of Széchenyi Szegedi to the member of the European Parliament in Brussels. Novák in 5 months received the salaries. Although he is a Eurosceptic who in January 2012 burned the European Union's flag at an anti-EU demonstration organized by Jobbik. In 2015, he was involved in a controversy as deputy leader over his remarks shared on social media where he suggested that the Romani population in Hungary was the biggest problem that the country was facing. Előd Novák was forced by the party's parliamentary group to resign from his position as an MP in 2016. Now, he is a vocal critic of Jobbik's new policies. In June 2018 he joined Our Homeland Movement, László Toroczkai's new party with several other Jobbik members. He is married to Dóra Dúró. They have a daughter, Hunora Kinkso, and Zente Levent. 2019. This article about a Hungarian politician is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.